rousong rolls and bacon rolls. I'll show you how to make it. In the bowl of a mixer, in this order, add the heavy cream, milk, egg, sugar, cake flour, bread flour, yeast, and salt. You can see I'm using the dough hook attachment, and I'm going to turn the mixer to just a low stir and let that go for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, the dough will be ready for proofing. I'm going to cover the bowl with a damp towel and place in a warm spot for 1 hour. The dough will grow to about 1.5 its original size. In the meantime, make some bacon. Try not to eat it all. After the hour of proofing, you're going to put the dough back into the mixer and stir for another 5 minutes on low, just to get rid of any air bubbles. Dump the dough on a lightly floured surface and cut into 12 equal pieces. I decided to weigh each piece. And then when you're not working with the other dough balls, make sure you cover those pieces with a dry cloth while you assemble the buns. You want to take each piece of dough and roll it out into a rough 4 by 6 inch rectangle or oval, and spread a very thin layer of mayonnaise onto the dough. And here's the pork sung. It's delicious. And sprinkle generously any amount that you like. You want to make sure you put those green onions on there too. Then you want to roll it up lengthwise, sort of like a tight cigar shape. And then you want to leave about 1 inch or 1/2 inch at the top and cut it down the center so it looks like a pair of pants. Stretch out the legs a bit, open it up, and then braid it. Tuck the ends under and put it on a parchment paper on the pan that you're going to bake it in. So that's the pork sung. And now I'll show you with the bacon. Rolling the bacon up, and you can see how I chopped it. I'm cutting it down the center, pulling the legs, opening it, and braiding it. And then you're going to cover for another hour of proofing, and after that it should be puffed up. Put an egg wash on there, sprinkle with sesame seeds, and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Bake a little bit longer if you need to. Brush with a little simple syrup. Shine on, buns are done. That's wonderful. They are so delicious, you guys. Hey, they taste better than they look. Thanks for watching. Hey, and if you get an idea, you can put an omelet inside the bun. Makes a great breakfast sandwich.
Hey everyone, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out. Also, a big thank you to The Walks of Life, Thai Food Tonight, and Souped Up Recipes, and also Manchi for encouraging me on my Asian cooking journey. The biggest thanks goes to Willow for sitting on my foot the whole time I made the video. Once again, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.